The neighbors are gonna think that only one car is actually staying when literally everything is. These are gonna. They're gonna like, oh, they're just helping them move. It's like, no, we all live here.
Okay, it's raining. I was stranded on the road. I couldn't get in the car, and now my hair is soaking wet. Did the wire transfer this morning. I'm gonna meet up with Cameron right now to pick up the keys. It is a beautiful day to close on a house. As you can see, the roads are glistening.
That's not your car.
Why is that not my car?
I thought you had a different color Mustang.
No. Whew. She's looking good. Those hedges need trimming soon. So can we take this out? Ooh, what is that?
It's a surprise.
It's already open.
Well, yeah, it's not the box.
Should I say hey to my new neighbor? Hi. Just bought. Interesting. Interesting. It's key time. Sold.
Oh no, my sign!
That's right up my alley.
Interesting.
Interesting. Interesting. So does this key lock thing actually work? That doesn't sound good. Hey, shoes off, shoes off. A lot bigger without the furniture.
Holy crap, this deck needs to be cleaned up. From that windstorm that we had.
Oh my.
Alright, so this is your closing gift.
Okay.
Everything in here. Hope
Okay.
you like it.
This is should I try to preserve the box?
Yeah.
Very interesting. Very interesting. Hurley's? Calvin Klein?
It's a bomber
That's
jacket. Look at
really
that.
bougie. Signature video doorbell?
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Told you to
That
take
means a
care
lot.
of you. I didn't know what size to get you.
Oh.
Dude, that's totally your style. And that looks way cleaner.
See ya! Okay, let's give it a little quick house tour. Those are all the agents that are potentially interested in the property. Here's the dining room. Here is the backyard. That's the porch, the deck. And yeah, we had a pretty bad windstorm, so it's kind of dirty. But living room, fireplace. Floors are supposed to be heated, but that doesn't work. So we gotta get that fixed. Pantry. So that's pretty cool. Bathroom over here. Bathtub. Master shower. Newly remodeled, and the shower doesn't work. Sad boy hours. Hey, at least the toilet paper came with the house.
This is such a cool shower though.
It's a cool shower.
It's a little short, but
If it actually works. Well, you're 6'6".
I was just saying here, I'll be like, clean me!
Okay. Wait, there's heated tiles in here too?
Yeah.
Hold on. Oh no, we can turn it off. Honestly, it feels like this one's bigger, but we know that these two are the bigger ones.
Yeah.
Then Connor's room. And check out the garage one more time. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's not gonna fit. Huracan's going there. R8 cannot fit in this area because it's exactly 14.5 feet long, and the R8 is 14.5 feet long, so that doesn't give space. Ideally, I'm thinking putting the Huracan there, having the R8 drive in, and then turn. But yeah, we'll see about that. Not really sure that can happen. Got to keep the furniture in the bottom floor. But yep, keeping the furniture here looks super cool. The rug is nice. This is gonna be either Chris's or Anna's room. This is the other bedroom. Backyard and bathroom. All pretty well kept. This was also rented out for Airbnb by the previous owners. I like all these cabinets. It's like, they look kind of old, but they all have soft close.
Yeah, they're nice.
Look at that.
Thank you so much for your time. I'm glad you had a good experience.
Hello. What's up, guys?
What's good?
So I'm in the house. It is official. I got the keys. You guys can come. Come over. It's official. Yay! Yeah, come by.
We're on our way.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah, start bringing your stuff, I guess.
They didn't have any congratulations balloons, so you got a Yoda balloon, and
I like Yoda.
yeah, I know.
All right.
That's why I grabbed him.
Do or do not, there's no try.
Exactly.
Should we take our shoes off again?
Yes.
Yo, it's an
wet.
Asian household. Bro, look at this. You're supposed to do it before the entryway.
Right?
This is really weird.
All right, yeah,
Hey,
nice.
wait, hey, I thought this was a PG channel. You're like, can I get the hoya? Neighbors are not gonna like us.
So, if there's a fire coming in, you're gonna have to jump out this window.
Yo, you'll land right in the dirt. Watch.
Where are you gonna put the picture?
Garage, probably for now. Yo, I needed hangers. Holy shit. Yo, and I get towels. Whoa. That's worth the money right there.
Ooh,
Thank
dude, that is primo.
Hello, welcome.
Hello?
Why don't we get some stuff?
Even though I have it
Everything
here.
in this basket currently my mom got for me. Those are all cups.
That's
Yo,
a
I
win.
picked the right roommate.
Hello. Hello. Welcome.
Hello, roommate.
It actually happened.
It's a key! I walked in here and I was like, what the fuck is that?
Get out of here.
Yo, home improvement channel.
It's still gonna hit your head.
Oh,
It's gonna hit his head.
It definitely will.
All right, move it up one more.
I like this room because I get to see my car right there.
Putting this on YouTube. This is something you only see on the internet,
On the internet.
but we're in it.
We are on the internet.
I don't like the angle.
you don't like the
I
angle?
don't like the angle.
Yeah, it would make more sense.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello, sir.
Hey, you got the house, bro.
He's our right hand.
Let's go.
Hello, sir. Welcome. Thank you. Hello. Good to see you, dude. Welcome home.
I no shit have the mattress in the back.
We'll get dinner.
Yeah, we don't have internet.
You guys want to get dinner?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He brought the truck.
He did.
Yo, they're all thinking, the neighbors are gonna think that only one car is actually staying when literally everything is. They're gonna like, oh, they're just helping them move. It's like, no, we all live here.
No, I was gonna get like a place for us to put the shoes in the front, so just to keep everything nice. Don't want to ruin it the first day. On the second day, maybe.
I don't want to die today. I have J's on. I'm trying to take these off. Thank you. Truly, thank you.
This is a moment.
It is a moment. I might cry.
Everyone, toast to everything that we're gonna do in this fucking house and all the awesome things we're gonna do with each other. Fucking salute.
Salute!
Jesus. Oh, Jesus Christ. We need a champagne.
Fantastic. What's up, bro?
Wow.
I can see.
That fits perfectly.
Yeah. Wait, they just go like
There's the papo.
Ooh.
Oh, that's just literally hanging right there.
Can we shoot it?
Wait, why are you taking that off?
You want to love is patient, love is kind. That's all
Hi.
I got.
What's up?
How are you?
Good.
Congratulations.
How are you? Thank you.
That's gonna suck ass for whoever.
Shoes off, sir.
He's off, sir.
Shoes off, sir. What the?
Okay. That's such a
What
fuck
the
you.
fuck?
That's such a fuck you.
At least once.